People think luxury Manhattan renovations fail because of bad construction. The reality is far more frustrating. Sometimes, a multi-million-dollar project completely hits a wall before a single tool even arrives at the property entrance. If you are planning an elite condo or co-op remodel in New York City, you are entering a complex logistical battlefield. Falling in love with an open-concept architectural layout or an expansive custom marble island is easy. But clearing a strict building management board is a different story. Many high-end property owners are blindsided by rigid wet-over-dry zoning regulations. This means the building may block you from relocating sinks, dishwashers, or waste lines over a neighbor's dry bedroom or living room space below you. Furthermore, introducing heavy premium stone slabs, custom concrete features, or complex millwork requires strict structural engineering load calculations. If your architectural and design teams move forward blindly without auditing the building's specific alteration agreement first, your package can be vetoed by the board. This leaves you stuck with architectural revisions, added coordination, and months of wasted time. At Corniel Construction, we handle luxury renovations by analyzing the building's infrastructure, rules, and management constraints first. We treat project logistics as an exact science, helping clear administrative friction so your dream home has a stronger path toward approval before construction begins. Don't go in blind. Call or text Corniel Construction LLC at 347-567-18 with your project scope to map out a smarter renovation strategy today.